Hello you beautiful people. Today we're going to be doing a little get ready with me, and we're going to start off with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, and I'm just putting that all over my face to begin with. Please let me know if you like voiceovers and whether this is something that you're interested in, because I'll do more of them in the future. So as always, I'm going in with my P. Louise base. I'm going to tap that all over and then blend it out with my Peaches and Cream brush, just how we normally do it, you know, normal shizness. And then I'm taking the brand new Revolution X Soph palette, and I'm going to start off with the Extra Spice, which is that red shade in the palette. And I'm just going to put this all over my crease to begin with, and just kind of packing it on and building it up. And then I'm going to go in with Cocktail, which is the orange in the palette. And I'm basically putting like half on my skin with no eyeshadow and half on my skin with eyeshadow, just so that it starts to blending out that red shade. And then I'm going to take a tiny little brush and the yellow shade from the palette and just blend that out, just to make a nice gorgeous little sunset eye. Just a little something. And then I'm just going back in with the same colours all over again, just to build up that intensity. And then I wasn't sure what kind of shimmer to use, but I ended up going for this one. I think that one's Not Gonna Lie, if I can read upside down. And this, wow, this was impressive, not gonna lie. Actually fits the name very nicely. But yeah, absolutely stunning. And then I'm going back in with that red shade again and just building that back up in that outer corner as well, and just to blend it all together. And then just taking a clean brush and just blending all the edges and all that good stuff. I was really impressed with the blend and how it all came together. Just doing a little bit of a clean up and going in with the exact same shades that are on the top, on the bottom. So we're going with red, then the orange, and then obviously that little tiny brush for the yellow as well, which is a Mitchell brush, in case anyone is wondering. Then taking the W7 Very Vegan foundation. This one's in the shade Bare Buff. Just literally tapping that all over my skin. I did go in with a little bit more as well afterwards. And then I'm going to go in with the Peach Sugar Blush from Mitchell. You can go ham with this. Like, it's absolutely stunning. And I'm just using a Mitchell brush to blend that out as well. Gorgeous. And then taking the Relove Super Matte Foundation, no, powder. I'm going to tap that all over my skin. You can tell this is my first voiceover, can't you? And I nearly forgot to put my concealer on after I powdered, so I popped some of that on. And that was the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. Beautiful, like absolutely blurs the under eyes. It's just gorgeous. So yeah, just putting that all over my face, that powder, now that I've remembered to put my concealer on. And then taking my absolute favourite MAC Mineralised Skin Finish in Dark Tan, my favourite bronzer of all time, and just my Peaches and Cream brush. I'm just going to put that on my normal places where I put my bronzer. So underneath my cheeks, my temples, bit of my nose, and obviously on that double chin as well. And then taking the NYX brow mascara, I always use the shade Black and just go in lightly with it. It just transforms your brows. Like, I just love brow mascara so much. And then taking this beauty of a blusher, if I can open it. This is from Beauty Bay, and it's their peachy blusher. It goes really nice with that Mitchell blush as well. So I'm just popping that all over my cheeks. And then going in, of course, with the Soph highlighter, and just going with a mix of the two. But this one is the Sugar Frosting Duo, which is the lightest one. I have actually ordered the darker one, like the medium one now as well, so I'll have to try that in a video at some point for you too. But this is just blinding, like it is just gorgeous. The formula is so much better than her palette, and the palette was gorgeous anyway. And I'm just going to go in the same thing again, but on the inner corner and the brow bone, just to add that bit of glow. I mean, you can see anyway, it is intense and just stunning. And then taking the Sky High mascara for my top lashes and the Ardell bottom mascara for my bottom lashes, which I absolutely love. It's so skinny and it just gets right under there as well. So yeah, just pop that on my lashes just to add a little bit of oomph to the look. And I'm taking the Colourpop lip pencil in Minute Man and just basically lining my lips, although my mirror kind of cuts out a bit of this, so I do apologise for that anyway. But yeah, I'm just using that to line my lips to begin with. And then taking a very posh Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I actually can't remember what it's called. I think it's called like Angel Alessandra, something like that. But it's gorgeous. It's so nice. And it went really well with the lip liner as well, which I was really impressed with. And it is just sexy AF. Now let's sort this hair out, because my hair is just an absolute mess. And let's give it a brush. Let's sort it out. And let's just put ourselves together. Look how stunning that eye look is. Like, I'm so proud of myself for this eye look and how it all blended together. I have gone darker with my hair. I don't know if anyone has noticed in my videos recently that I have gone darker. Look how much nicer it is when you just give it a little bit of a brush and sort yourself out. And now we're going to change into my clothes. I just put this top on. This was the day that Blake was coming home from being away for a week, so I was super excited and super pumped for this video. And yeah, that is my finished look. A little sunset eye, testing the Soph and Revolution palette out again. I absolutely love this palette, would highly recommend. And please let me know if you want to do more voiceover clips, because I can do more tutorials if I can do that, but it's entirely up to you. Love you so much. Bye.